Confidence Unleashed. Embrace your inner power and shine. Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the empowering world of confidence. We believe that each and every one of you possesses a unique light within, and today, we're here to help you unleash that confidence and let it shine. So let's get started on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Segment 1. Embracing Self-Acceptance. Confidence begins with self-acceptance. It's about embracing who you truly are, embracing your strengths, and celebrating your uniqueness. Let's explore ways to foster self-acceptance and cultivate a positive self-image. Celebrating your strengths. Take a moment to reflect on your strengths, the things that make you shine. Embrace and celebrate them, for they are the building blocks of your confidence. Practicing self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself and practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, forgive your mistakes, and remember that nobody is perfect. Embrace your imperfections. They make you beautifully human. Segment 2. Nurturing Inner Growth. Confidence is a lifelong journey of growth and self-improvement. Let's explore ways to nurture our inner selves and cultivate a mindset of growth and empowerment. Setting goals and taking action. Set meaningful goals that align with your values and aspirations. Break them down into achievable steps and take consistent action. Each small step forward builds your confidence and propels you closer to your dreams. Embracing challenges. Challenges are not roadblocks, but stepping stones to your growth. Embrace them with an open mind. See them as opportunities to learn and develop resilience. Remember, you are capable of overcoming any obstacle that comes your way. Segment 3. Cultivating External Confidence. Confidence is not only an internal state, but also how we present ourselves to the world. Let's dive into some practical ways to cultivate external confidence and project our inner radiance. Dressing for confidence. Dressing in a way that makes you feel comfortable, stylish, and true to yourself can significantly boost your confidence. Express your unique personality through your fashion choices and let your style speak volumes. Body language and communication. Confident body language and effective communication go hand in hand. Stand tall, make eye contact, and express yourself authentically. Remember, your voice matters, and your presence is powerful. Conclusion. And that wraps up our empowering journey through the realm of confidence. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace your inner power, cultivate self-acceptance, and let your confidence radiate from within. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. Keep shining your light and embracing the incredible person that you for more empowering content. Remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. Keep shining your light and embracing the incredible person that you